Good morning, guys. Now we are cooking jungle maso. See, it's ready, guys. The ingredients are
onion,
tomato,
coriander
leaves,
leaves,
and what's
and
this?
the spices.
Spices
That
also.
we use the Szechuan. Then we use coriander and cumin seeds.
Cumin seeds.
And then a red chili, and there's a turmeric.
And then turmeric oil, and then salt to taste, and water
if necessary.
Now here you go. My husband start cooking his favorite mushroom. We cook here, guys. Onion.
First, we need to cook the onion until a little bit brownish. Then we'll apply all the spices and tomato until it's cooked. Then at last we'll put the mushroom and let it for cooking. Okay, let's begin with the onion. Obviously it takes time. Now the onion has got brown already, so it's cooked. See, you can feel it. Now I'm going to apply the spices and the tamatis. Here's the spices. So here you are. Then apply some turmeric powder. A bit of salt for now. Later you can add again according to the taste. And mix it up. Then let it cook also the tomatoes together with the spices. Now cover it with the coffee. It's been cooked almost 80%. And the spices has been cooked together itself. Now I'm going to apply the mushroom. There you are. Mushroom. Apply it. Oh, yum yum. Now,
The whole thing.
let it go for cooking. Then I'll enjoy eating. Yes. Mix it up the spices on the mushroom. Yes. Delicious. Oh, don't fall it down, my dear. Because I don't want to keep any single pieces going out. I wanted to put inside my stomach. Then now let it be for cook. Finally the mushroom is cooked. We sprinkle the coriander leaves from the up, so it's finished. This is what after it looks after the cook. Oh, yum yum, the mushroom. Oh, it's so delicious. I get full watery on my mouth.
Oh guys, finally the mushroom is
yummy.
cooked.
Happy tummy.
Now happy tummy na my husband. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for all your support. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. God bless you more. Be kind and be happy. I love you all. Now, guys, ready to eat. Let's eat, guys. Mushroom, jungle mushroom. So yummy and delicious. Bikoy! But you don't know to eat. Here. You don't want, guys. You want to go inside the room. She told that it's hot. I told him come inside. I come inside, come outside. See his rice. Now he's busy. Yummy. Let's eat. Guys, si Bella, nag-bake na naman si Bella, guys. Tingnan mo siya. Ang sarap. Parang ano to, mango float, di ba? Alam mo naman si Bella. Ang yummy. Kumain ka na, ah.
Kumain ako.
May tinapay. Ang sarap po.
Kumain ako ng pansit. Ako unang pagtikin ng pansit. Kaya sabi ko, pwede na.
Tapos may pansit din kami. Ang pansit. Wow, ang sarap-sarap. Try mo kaya. Sarap na kami. Ang dami. Look, guys. Kumusta? Now, I need to get another place for this my plant because this my stand of my plant is congested. All jumping. See, all is falling down. See? All from there is falling down. Because maybe due of the congested. Now, I will decide to segregate. I will put some anyway. It's falling down, guys. And then here in the top also is very congested. Today is heavy rain. All is jumping anywhere. Now, I will make it a little bit nicer. So that I will give them space. See, in one area, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I just put it. Now I'm planning in this side, that corner side. I will put some pot so that it's not congested. Now I work it for that. See ya. Now guys, see, look. This is the one I transfer from here, the side, because in the stand is very congested. And then I make it segregate from the other side. Here, I just attach here from my boundary. This is the one plant. And then there's also another plant and another one. At least it's little bit. And then after that, we have also the there's gapping ba. See? Mga plantito. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment also. Thank you so much. You're watching this one. My heart is very happy for this all. Thank you so much for all your support, guys. I love you all. Bye. See, guys, here you go. Finally, I already arranged. Now they can breathe. Before, oh my God, it's very congested, my plants. But now, until this one in the up one, see, look in the up, sorry, in the hand, you can see. You can see here. See, it's nice. And then this is flower. During winter only. During winter, they will bloom the flower. And then here, the plants. And then my healthy aloe vera, which is I'm using also for face and hair. And then I don't know this kind of plants. And then snake plant and this one. Before, oh my God, they cannot breathe because they are too much congested. That's why I decide to reduce the other one. It's a little bit okay. Bye for now. Be kind and be happy. I love you all.